Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to XIAOMI 12S Ultra. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, you need to download this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to set it up, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, you can choose Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive next to Send at the bottom of XIAOMI. Also on XIAOMI, tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally click on all of those categories at the top, and in them click on those type of dots at the top left corner to select multiple files at once. If you don't want to do that, you can always just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which one of those two connection ways you want to use. In order to scan the QR code, tap on this scanning icon next to Input key on XIAOMI. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your XIAOMI's camera at the code. If you want to input 6-digit key instead, click on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and tap on Receive button. So when I click, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!